Purell is a private company, so they do not have a stock symbol on a major exchange. However, there is a company called Clorox that you can invest in, and their stock symbol is CLX. So let's take a look here at a stock chart of Clorox or CLX. It's a weekly chart. You can zoom into minute charts, hourly charts, daily charts, depending on your trading style. And each of these candlesticks are weekly candlesticks. These lines here are Fibonacci retracement levels or important support and resistance zones. So you'll see that there was kind of a big, inverse head and shoulders-ish, kind of really roundabout price action here on the chart. Kind of a cup and handle breakout up over in here. And you'll see some angular resistance coming out over here, right around this Fibonacci retracement level. So if you were bullish on Clorox and you were going to go long in a position, you'd zoom into a shorter time frame on a stock chart, find your entry somewhere off support here, or if it falls back down in this area, and you would buy again low and sell high. So you can see some angular support. Watch if this area or this area holds, and if price breaks out, again, you'd see this area right here going back to here for resistance, and then this upper Fibonacci retracement level. So what I'm showing here on a chart, it's called price action or candlestick patterns. It's the most important thing to learn as a trader. So if you need more help getting started, we do have some free courses, and you can access them by clicking on the link below in this video, or you can click on the banner on our website. We are also a trading service, which means that we offer trade rooms, Discord, watch lists, trade alerts, and also advanced level courses. So if you want to become a member of our trading community, you can click on the link below in this video or click on the banner on our website.